server. Server system R2308 WTTYSR with Intel server board S2600 WTT and Xeon E5 2630V4 processor, 10 core 20 thread, 2.2 GHz with 25 MB of cache and 64 GB of RAM, which is ECC registered DDR4 RAM, and which is installed on Intel R2002U rack mount chassis with integrated dual 10 Gbps network card and two Intel 240 GB SSD for boot and 4 960 GB SSD for storage. This is the back side of the board, which has one management interface and 2 Gbps, 2 10 gig LAN port. Server has redundant power supply, both 1100 watt. The front, it has 8 hot swappable hard disk port. You can see over here. जय बजरंग बली. Hear the chirping sound of a server.